Good morning, Andrew. Can you show us how can we adjust the SQL Server Express Edition setting for a high performance?
Of course, dear Emma. These adjustments are very important. Don't forget to do it after you install SQL Server Express Edition. Follow me step by step to do that. Go to my computer icon on the desktop with right-click, then select Manage. From the Computer Management, go to left pane the Expand Services and Applications. Then expand SQL Server Network Configuration. Then as your installed SQL engine, select Protocol for SQL. From the middle pane, select TCP/IP with right-click and enable it. And enable the named Pipes Protocol. Then with double-click on TCP/IP, go to IP addresses pad, then change all TCP dynamic port to 0 and TCP port as your engine. Insert one as example here. I am inserting 1436. As you know, for every installed engine, you should specify his own port. Then accept the changes. Whenever you have changed any option on the configurations of SQL Server Network, you should restart the SQL Server engine. To do that, go to SQL Server Services, then select your installed engine, then with right-click, select Restart.
Thank you very much, dear Andrew, for these valuable informations.
You are welcome. See you in next video.